Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you where to find the stethoscope in Avatar World. Whether you're opening your own clinic in the game or just playing doctor with your friends, you're going to need the stethoscope. And in here, I'm going to show you the exact locations to get the accessory. So first you just need to go to these buildings right here. I think this one is a clinic. So just go to this building. Okay, so once you're in, you just need to find a doctor in here. This one, as you guys can see, she's wearing a stethoscope, and what you need to do is just grab from her. You can just click on the doctor and just find the stethoscope in here and click on it so that she put off the stethoscopes, and now you can just grab your avatar. Let's say this one's right here, and then you can just put it on to your avatar like this. You can also put on the white gown or the doctor gown if needed. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.